What's up? And welcome back to another video. This is gonna be our mystery box challenge.
The first contestant is going to be Ashley. And the second contestant is going to be Nitin.
They do not know what's in those
Boxes.
mystery boxes. Alright, on the count of 3, they're gonna lift up the boxes and see what they got for this challenge. You guys ready?
Yep.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. They have 2 hours and 30 minutes to cook one dish for each ingredient, that is chicken and Arabi, taro root, and one dessert. Time is 4:35.
And the time starts now. Ashley has already started cooking.
Let's see what's going on there. Alright, Ashley, what are you cooking?
I guess I'm making this because I think I have all the ingredients for it. That's the first thing Google said I could make.
Taro roast.
Taro roast. He doesn't need to know.
Masala Arabi aloo. I've never made Arabi in my life before, so it'll be interesting to see.
Had her taro root
Yeah.
Arabi in the instant pot. What do you think? She's going in the right direction?
I think she's going in a perfect direction, and she has already decided her dessert, so which also is looking good because, as you guys know, it's an Indian cook-off. They have to make everything Indian, so I think Ashley is going in the perfect direction. Do you think Arabi and potato can be mixed together?
Well, that's an interesting choice. Typically they don't because it doesn't add flavor. Potato doesn't add any extra flavor. It will taste like 2 separate things, 2 dishes in one.
Are you worried that they'll finish in time or not?
I think that is the major challenge here. I mean, 2.5 hours is pretty good amount of time to come up with the nice recipes. But the thing is, how you manage your time in the kitchen is really important. I'm gonna ask Ashley. Alright, Ashley, what are you up to?
I don't know. I'm trying to make cardamom powder. Handmade because I don't know
What are you gonna use it for? What are you making for dessert?
recipe. Kalakan recipe.
Alright. Oh, I'm excited. Elliot, who do you think is gonna win? Ashley. Oh, you think Ashley's gonna win? Ooh, let's see. Oh, that looks good. Alright, contestants, 60 minutes to go. Alright, contestants, this is your 30 minutes call. Taste as you cook. So the biggest mistake that Nitish did is not starting on that rice pudding early enough. And even if you do it late, you would have just cooked the rice separately and then added to the condensed milk and the milk combination. What do you think? Is he be able to cook in time?
I think there's 30 more minutes left, so I think it will be done.
Okay, let's see. He's at high risk there.
That's gonna be the winner.
Guys, 10 minutes left. 10 minutes to go. So go, 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 go. Taste. You think you're gonna win today?
Yes, I do. And so does Elliot. For sure I'm gonna win. He's on my team.
What do you think, sir? How is everything coming together?
Not
you gonna
so
win?
good.
Mary, who are you gonna bet on?
I'm gonna go for Ashley on this one.
Oh! Hi, are you on Nitish's team? You're on Nitish's team. Look at you. Look at your hair.
I know. One's up, one's down.
Can you give a high five? High five!
Fine. Last 2 minutes. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands in the air. Good job! Ashley, please explain your dish.
Alright, what first you have in front of you is some butter chicken, Indian butter chicken, with some chicken and spices. And then I have over here is some yogurt to cleanse your palate.
Okay.
with some bundi, and then I have a traditional Indian salad with some onions, cucumbers, and tomato. And then I have a paratha, and I have dry fried taro root,
Okay.
and I have some white rice with peanut.
All right.
Please enjoy.
For Ashley, the taro root is, spices wise, it's super duper good. It's salty.
The butter chicken came out to be good. Overall, it's a very good dish.
Could have used a little bit of presentation. Alright, next up, Nitish. Please present your dish.
Alright, here I have Mountains of North Carolina, the name of my dish. This comes with a paratha that has onion touch to it, the arbi, which is dryly cooked and with a lot of herbs and spices, and then we have chicken on the right, which is mainly a dish from Hyderabad, which is where you add cinnamon, you add a lot of spices, and then you can all and there's a splatter of coriander at the top.
All right, Nitish, your Mountains of North Carolina dish. The arbi is lacking flavor.
Arbi and potato doesn't go well.
For the chicken, tastes good, but it's very plain.
I agree, we cannot taste the cinnamon or Hyderabadi style in chicken. Overall, no dish.
Thank you.
What do you have for dessert?
It's called kalakan.
Okay.
It has paneer and sweet condensed milk and a little bit of cardamom spice.
Alright, Nitish, what you got for dessert?
I have a famous delicacy from India. It is rice kheer, chawal ki kheer.
All right, Nitish, your kheer. The flavor is on point, but the rice is uncooked.
Whoa!
For kheer, rice didn't got cooked the way it should. It would have taken a little bit longer. It's a little sweet. You could have added some more milk.
Ashley's kalakan. It is very good. That's all I can say.
Yeah, for me, kalakan is really, really good. Again, could use a little bit of presentation there. The dish, I want to say, if for presentation wise, you could serve more than 1 spoon of dessert. Yeah, that could have done well.
The flavors are not on point.
Alright.
We have a winner.
Yep.
So the winner for this mystery box cook-off is Ashley! You did a very good job. The flavors are on point, the portion size is good, the dessert is good, so
Hope you guys had a lot of fun watching
don't
this
forget to
video.
subscribe, like and share so you can enjoy more of these videos.
And we are gonna see you in more Have Fun challenges. So go on the community tab, make sure you participate in the votes and let us know what kind of videos you want to see next. And we're gonna see you in our next video. Until then, bye!
Cinnamon, it doesn't taste, it doesn't